Hello and welcome to the tutorial on pie charts in Biwee. If you want to know how to create and customize pies in your dashboards, this video is for you. Pie charts are used to illustrate the proportion of different elements in relation to a whole. They are recommended for a limited number of arguments. Beyond a large number, the graph is difficult to interpret. To insert a pie in Biwee, click on the pie icon in the component area. The data setting has three main items: values, arguments, and series. If we want to analyze sales amount for each category, in the value item, we drag the field corresponding to the measure we want to follow, here the sales amount. We choose the aggregate function that will be applied to the field. And in arguments, we drag the product category field. Biwee displays the proportion of the sales for each category. Also, we can add a date field in series to see for each year the distribution of sales by category. You can choose the granularity of the date. You can enrich this pie with other indicators. For example, I want to display the quantity of products sold for each category. I drag the quantity field in values. Now we have two tabs, one for the sales amount and the other for the quantity sold. You can add additional information in your pie using the drill down. For example, I want to see the sales amount and the quantity sold for subcategory. I drag the product subcategory in arguments. To activate the drill down, use the cogwheel and check the drill down. Now when I click on a category, we will see subcategories corresponding to this category. For example, if I click on bikes, we will see the subcategories: mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes. You can change the style of the pie using the cogwheel and switch the style in a donut. You can change the colors of the pie and select the colors for each category or subcategory. You can also change the labels displayed in the chart.